Today I'm gonna show you how you can make 30 USD up to 200 USD just for using your smartphone and taking photos. Stick with me, I'm gonna explain everything. Just a second. Before we go ahead and jump to this video, I would like to ask you, if this is the first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button, because I want you to be part of my channel. We'll share together a lot of different ways on how you can make money, free ways, and next to the subscribe button, make sure you click the bell notification. You can receive a notification for every single day I release, every day, just for you how you can make money online. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. I'm really excited to show you this new upcoming legit site. You're gonna be using your phone to become a looker. This is what is the definition they use on this site, and it's like you take a look and you keep an eyes on anything, anytime, anywhere for other people, and you're gonna be providing them info on the stuff they want. Let's say, for example, you're looking to get a house, you're looking to buy a car, and this is located on a different city, village, state, regardless of where you're living, and you want somebody to go and take a look to see if this is actually how it looks like. Let's say, for example, when you click on the link below, sorry, I was really excited and jumped. The site we are looking today is called wegolook.com, so we can get the link from below the description. Once you click, you come to this website here, the homepage, and as you can see here, let's say, for example, this guy likes this Maserati here. He saw it on the local listed site, and he wants to make sure that everything looks alike of how the description and the photos, and it's not a scam on what is put on the site, on the selling site. So they will pay us to become a looker because we are living nearby this car, the location of the car, and we go there and we take photos, videos, and so on. We send it to the site and back to the original requested person. This is very nice, guys. I mean, all of us are looking to buy something, but we are not sure if it's actual legit. There is a lot of scam going on around, so we want somebody to go actually physically take a look and see how this works. So we become a looker. We're gonna submit our self information, and we're gonna become a looker. And how this works, guys, you're gonna come here on the site, click on the get started. It's gonna bring you here, and I want you to scroll down a little bit, and I want you to become I would like to become a looker. So you click here, you get paid to look, learn more. Sorry, before we go, click on our streamline onboard process. Will have you up and running in matter of hours. Most jobs take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and you submit your work and you get paid. You get paid by PayPal, checks, or bank transfers, but this is gonna get adjusted. And the other important question beside the payment, I want you to look, it's where this is available. Just let me scroll down a little bit. At the moment, guys, this is available in Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, but it's becoming a hot item and service, and it's gonna come to Europe and Asia as well. So stay tuned for your country. If your country is not listed here, just stay tuned, because they're gonna be coming available really fast in all countries. This is an amazing service. That's why I'm so excited. And as you can see, you can start as a regular looker, and then later on you can become a pro. Based on the amount of work you submit and your feedback and your response, you can become a pro, and you can get up to 200 USD dollars for the work you submit, guys, which is always really nice to do. So as you can see, all it takes is a smartphone. The process couldn't be simpler. You can click here to sign up today, and you'll be on your way to performing looks and earning extra income. Complete our simple onboard process. Start here. Review available looks. You will see looks match on your location and skills. Accept the looks you want. Perform your task. Submit. Get paid. Guys, amazing. Really simple. It's on your location. You can jump in your car, go take the photos, submit them, and wait for your payment on your PayPal account. I really enjoy this method. I'm really excited about it. Take a look if it's available for your location, your country. Give it a shot. I think you can make some easy money out of it. Why not? And if you are not sure about this, or this is you are not having option for your country, you can always try my #1 recommendation for my best passive proof way of making money online listed below. My #1 recommendation, go ahead, click it. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. This is what I want to show you guys today. If yes, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Start making some money, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.